There was something about Hanoi that we couldn't quite explain. We've walked around a lot of cities over the years, but Hanoi felt different. Not because of one famous attraction, not because of Train Street, not even because of the food. It was simply walking around. Every few minutes, it felt like we'd wandered into a completely different place. Different shops, different sounds, different smells, different energy. We kept asking ourselves, why is this neighborhood so much fun to explore? So after we got home, we started digging. The answer begins here. Hanoi's Old Quarter. This neighborhood has been the city's commercial heart for almost 1,000 years. But what makes it interesting isn't just its age, it's how it grew. Unlike many modern cities that were carefully planned, the Old Quarter evolved naturally. Merchants making similar products gradually settled near one another. Silk sellers, metal workers, medicine shops, paper offerings, bamboo craftsmen. Over time, entire streets became known for a particular trade. That's where Hanoi's famous 36 streets come from. Even today, many of those names still survive. The businesses have changed, but the personality of each street hasn't completely disappeared. Looking back, that's exactly how we were feeling. You don't walk through one giant shopping district. You walk through dozens of little neighborhoods stitched together. Turn one corner and everything changes. Then another, and another. It's almost impossible to get bored. Another thing we noticed, this neighborhood isn't just for tourists. People still live here. Many businesses are family run. Homes sit above shops. Daily life happens right on the sidewalk. You're not walking through a museum. You're walking through a neighborhood that's still doing what it has done for centuries. Then we started looking up. Almost every building seemed incredibly narrow. At first, we thought it was just an architectural style. But there was a practical reason. Street frontage was the most valuable part of a property. That's where customers passed by. So instead of building wider, families built farther back. These became known as tube houses. Long, narrow homes where shops, businesses, and family life all existed under one roof. Some even included small open courtyards to bring sunlight and fresh air into the middle of the house. It's a clever design that evolved from necessity and became one of Hanoi's defining features. By the time we left, we realized something. The Old Quarter isn't special because of one landmark. It's special because every few steps, there's another reason to stop. Another tiny detail, another street, another story. And maybe that's why we enjoyed walking here more than almost anywhere else. Not because we knew its history while we were there, but because once we learned it, our memories of Hanoi suddenly made a lot more sense. If you're curious what it's like to explore Vietnam from north to south in 19 days, subscribe to Us 4 somewhere and come along with us on this exciting journey. We'll see you somewhere.